Peace of Christ to all, and I hope you guys today you will learn something from this video. This video is going to talk about the amazing knowledge of the Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him. You know, this Prophet have a lot of knowledge, and the much you read about him, the much you get stunned. You know, like you will like, wow, man. You know, he is telling you things long time ago before any scientist ever knew what it is. Let us go together and see some of the science of Muhammad. Let us see. This is Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 512, book number 10. So please, I don't want any Muslim to say this hadith is fabricated. Actually, it is in a website. I can show the website. Here we go. This is your Islamic website. But it's not going to be clear, so I took it and copy it and make it in my own software. So you can take a look. This is the website as it is. Now, the Prophet said, and when the Prophet says something, please everybody stand up. The Prophet said, because I want to remind Muslims, it's not me who said that. In very hot weather. And now what this hadith is about, by the way, it's about explaining to us, we the dummy, how winter and summer happen, why the heat is hot, why the weather is hot in summertime, and why it's cold in winter. Look, the Prophet will explain that. He said in a very hot weather, delay the Zuhr prayer. Zuhr mean, noontime prayer. So it's very clear that in Islam you can delay the time of the prayer. So a Muslim, he want to take now. I want to take now, please. I cannot be late for the prayer. I cannot. Allah will not accept it. And you know they try to take your time and try to fool you, saying we have to do it now. The fact this is all is a lie. So the Prophet said you can delay the noontime prayer. Why? Because until it became cooler. And we knew that in Saudi Arabia, in Mecca, it's extremely hot. Now this is not the issue. The issue why it's hot and why it's cold. The Prophet will explain that to us right away. The Prophet in here said, because the severity of heat is from the raging of hellfire. So now we knew where the heat is coming from. It's coming because of the raging of hellfire, which is true, by the way. It's proven by science, and there's a scientist, his name, I do lie, always I do, from Japan, and his cousin Yama I do Yama, Yama I do lie Yama, both they said this is true. The hellfire of hell complained to its Lord, saying, O Lord, my part are eating, destroying one another. Man, this is sad. So Allah, look how Allah merciful, man. Even He have mercy over the hell. So Allah allowed it to take to breathe. Okay? Like, you know, the hell is going to explode, man. Too much hot. So Allah allowed the hell to have to take to breathe. One in the winter and the other one in summer. The breathe in the summer is at the time when you feel the severest heat. This is why it's very hot sometime in summer, because the hell is taking a breathe. And the breathe in the winter is at the time when you feel the severest cold. Amazing. Now all of us, we knew why we have cold and we have heat. It is because Mrs. Hellfire is breathing, and because Allah gave the hellfire to breathe, one in summer and one in winter. And kids, this is the end of the story for today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to brush your teeth and go to bed and dream about the 72 women they will be there waiting for you. This is true story proven by Sahih al-Bukhari, book number 10, hadith number 512, for those who have mind to read. Christ is Lord, and Islam is just a fairy tale stories for dummies. See you later.